Hi, Penny. Hi, bud. I'm trying to get something done, okay? I know. Overpacking doesn't just cost you extra baggage fees, it costs you your peace of mind. You've packed that just in case formal dress, 4 extra pairs of shoes, and enough denim to outfit a small country. Then you get to your destination, drag a 50-pound bag through a cobblestone streets in 90-degree heat, and end up wearing the exact same pair of denim shorts and linen shirt the entire week anyway. Today, we're going to completely rewrite your packing strategy. I'm going to show you a step-by-step framework to pack lighter, stress less, carry on only. Zero compromise. Let's get into it. So phase 1, the 5-4-3-2-1 rule. If you struggle with where to even start, you need a hard boundary. Enter the 5-4-3-2-1 rule. This is a classic packing framework, but for summer holiday, we tailor it specifically for heat and versatility. Really what you're looking for is 5 tops. You want to keep them lightweight, think breathable cotton t-shirts, a breezy linen button-down, and a couple of nicer tank tops or camis that you can transition from day to night. Then we're going to go with 4 bottoms. A mix is key here. 1 pair of classic denim shorts, 1 pair of lightweight linen trousers, a comfortable skirt or midi dress, and a pair of athletic shorts for travel days or for hiking. Then we want 3 shoes. This trips everyone up. You only need 3. First, your heaviest walking shoe. Wear these on the plane. Second, a pair of stylish, supportive sandals for walking around town or going for dinner. Third, a cheap waterproof slides or flip-flops strictly for the beach or pool. Then you need 2 swimsuits. 1 to wear, 1 to dry. There's nothing worse than pulling on a damp swimsuit from the day before. And 1 light layer, like a denim jacket or a lightweight knit cardigan for chilly evening breezes or aggressive airport air conditioning. Every single item you choose must play nice with the others. If a top only matches 1 specific pair of shorts, leave it at home. This is where a color palette might come in handy. You could kind of pick some neutrals like your denim and your maybe white, and then have pops of color within that kind of go with everything. Or if you do pick a pattern piece, make sure that those colors go into each shirt that you bring. Now that we have our clothes picked out, how do you actually get them into the bag without creating a chaotic mountain of fabric? First, stop folding your clothes. Folded clothes stack vertically, creating giant air pockets and making it impossible to see what's underneath. Instead, you want to roll your clothes. Rolling presses out the air of the fabric, minimizes deep wrinkles, and lets you file your clothes horizontally like a filing cabinet. It's just like we do our drawers. Second, you need to use packing cubes. If you aren't using packing cubes yet, welcome to the rest of your life. Why do packing cubes matter? They act like drawers for your suitcase. I like to use 1 cube for tops, 1 for bottoms, and 1 for undergarments and swimwear. It keeps your bag organized so you don't have to explode your entire suitcase across the hotel just to find a specific item. If you're going to multiple destinations, it's also handy to kind of pack for those. So if you have like a beach day, you can have all of your beach items in the 1 cube so you don't have to open it up unless you're doing that one day. And don't forget a dedicated small waterproof pouch for your wet swimwear on the way back. Trust me, it saves your clean clothes from smelling like stale pool water. The final puzzle piece to packing light for summer is what you wear on the plane. Airports and airplanes are notoriously freezing, so wear your bulkiest items on travel day. Wear your sneakers, your long linen pants, and your jacket or sweater. This keeps them out of your suitcase, freeing up an incredible amount of volume and weight. Remember, you don't need to pack for every hypothetical scenario. Pack for the best case scenario. Sunny days, warm nights, and good times. If you want a complete checklist of everything we talked about today, I have a free downloadable link in the description box below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you want more practical organizing and style tips. Thanks for popping in.